This is a brand new 2013 Hyundai Tucson. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a built-in iPod integration cable, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, LED headlights, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, active front headrests, full power accessories, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.